Guys, I decided to do some changes before we paint this one. I realized that I can put some cable ties on it. As you can see, it's tied up all the way down to the cable. All right, there is a LAN cable and the power cable there. I decided to use these two because the only LAN cable will be able to work for a PC, and then the rest will be wireless. So I think we will be able to paint our 1 kilometer range Wi-Fi extended from indoor to outdoor. All right, this ultralink device that I am doing here. So let us continue and then we paint it.